So first I'm taking my Morphe 35B palette and I'm going to be taking this navy blue shade and I'm gonna pop this directly into my crease. Now I'm packing it on because my base is still sticky. I used my concealer as my primer and I didn't set the concealer, so I'm packing on first, and then once I know that that area is pretty much set, then I'm gonna begin to blend it out. Next, I'm going to take the turquoise shade from the Morphe 35B palette and I'm going to add this on top of that navy blue color and doing the same technique where I'm packing it on, and then I'll begin to blend it out. This also ensures that the color is as pigmented as possible. Next, I'm going to take the yellow from the palette and I'm just going to use that to blend out that turquoise and just soften it up. And then I'm going to take my Jouer high coverage concealer and I'm going to use this to cut my crease. Now take your time with this because, you know, who rushes cutting their crease, you know? Once I cut my crease, I'm gonna take the navy blue and I'm gonna add that to the outer V. And now for the fun part, I'm taking MAC's Genuine Orange Pigment and I'm gonna use this on a synthetic short shader brush, and I'm just packing that on like the, what is that? Where the cut of the crease is. And I'm just going to pack on that orange. Don't be scared that don't be afraid if this starts falling out on the other parts of your concealer, because we're gonna clean that up later. So just slowly pack the orange on there, and I just basically, yeah, that's basically what I did. Once I finish that, I'm gonna take my concealer and I'm using the same brush because it's very defined, and I just cleaned it off with a little bit of alcohol, and I'm just gonna use this to begin to clean up. So I'm just gonna clean that up, basically doing the same steps that we did when we cut my crease originally. Next, I'm going to take my Juvia's Place Festival palette and I'm taking this teal shade, super pretty, and I'm just packing this close to that navy blue eyeshadow that we put in the outer V. And then I'm going to take this light blue kind of iridescent shade and I'm just going to pack that in the inner corner, and then I'm just going to blend that out. And then I'm just making sure that the two colors blend seamlessly. So I'm just slowly blending that with my eyeshadow brush just to make sure everything transitions smoothly. And then I just applied my lashes off camera. For my lips, I'm taking my all-time favorite lip combination ever. I'm taking my MAC Cork Lipliner, and then I'm going to take my Peachstock lipstick, and then on top of that I'm taking my Buxom lip plumping lip gloss in Ariana, and I'm just gonna place that right on top. And you guys know that I was not about to be rocking this scarf, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you guys decide to recreate this look, please be sure to tag me because I would love to see. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.